Right now it's January 1st, 3:38 in the morning, and you know, it's really corny. I don't want to be a cornball, but I did want to have a resolution. I really wanted to have a New Year's goal, and I feel motivated. So I'm gonna be going to the gym and getting some miles in. And the goal I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do 20,000 steps in the month of January daily, while also keeping food in mind. My caloric intake should be low, somewhere between 800 and 1,500 calories to be aggressive, and to see what I could build on that. If I could complete January and I do like how I feel, maybe we'll roll into February, March, April, and see if I could start a healthy pattern. Right now I'm rocking the Nike Pegasus. These are my favorite running shoes. It is really chilly today. Let me ask Siri. Hey Siri, what's the weather outside?
It's currently clear and 38 degrees.
38 degrees. Thank God I'm running to a gym, not running outside. I'm gonna stop yapping though. I wanna get a move on. Cause like I said, it's 3 in the morning. Okay, so I finally got home, and that was not a smart idea for me. It was very cold and I didn't wear gloves. My hands were very numb and stinging. Because, look, I know this is gonna seem like a cop-out answer, but I'm a Florida boy. I shouldn't be wearing Columbia thermal jackets, but I do. I shouldn't be wearing beanies all the time, but I do. It's hot all the time, and even when it is shivering, record-breaking cold, I still don't feel prepared, so I don't know. The workout was successful though. I did a bit of running, a bit of brisk walking, a bit of like this jogging, and I got about 8,000 steps. So yeah, I was there for a while, but that's good. That's a good start. And tomorrow or later today, I'll pick up on it later, as long as I hit my goal. So that's the important part. I'm not really tired. I'm gonna take a shower before I sleep. I took one before, like I took a big shower before I started filming, but you know, and I didn't really sweat, but I still want to, I know like I want to feel clean before I go to bed, so I'm gonna take a quick body shower. In the meantime though, I'm probably gonna play some Madden. I'm gonna play some Madden right now. I'm not tired. Still feels like Christmas morning in here. It's not super dirty, but it's just kind of cluttery. Like all of our gifts are still here, but it's all good. Oh my God, I hate playing the Chiefs. Only because Patrick Mahomes has, why was I looking there? It's because Patrick Mahomes has Hot Route Master, and it can be annoying. And also Travis Kelce. I'm using the Dolphins because I know the playbook well. I know how to use Tyreek Hill well. And it's just the fastest team because I also spam A-Chan a lot. I'm gonna start with a corner route on the left. Ooh, that was covered. Throw it away. How was that covered? That was a blitz man coverage. Maybe I'm playing against someone who knows their stuff. Alright, I'm gonna play conservative now. I'm gonna do just a little drag route. Boom. To A-Chan. First down. No huddle. No huddle, no huddle. Okay. So if he's still in man, I'm gonna bomb this now to Tyreek. It's not open. Circle. Alright, I'm gonna do this then, because now I'm getting mad. I'm gonna send Waddle there, and Hill corner out. Ooh. See, what's crazy is that he knew I was still throwing to the left, but Tyreek Hill's just too fast. I don't like how sunny this field is, though. Boom. He's doing a lot of cover 4 drops. Me no likey. I just fumbled. He just took that for 7. Now I'm angry. I don't want to play anymore. Okay, I'm back in my room. I'm just watching Craig of the Creek on YouTube. They're just like Craig of the Creek highlights because I didn't feel like turning HBO on. But if you ever want to watch like a kid's cartoon, that's one of my favorite. I obviously used to be a kid. Now I'm like a little older now, but I sometimes like kids cartoons as ambience. The other day I was like playing on SpongeBob. Sometime like I was trying to get into Phineas and Ferb again. But for the most part, like my palette is weird though, cause like then I like watching adult animation like Family Guy or like Bob's Burgers. Then sometimes I like watching like sitcoms like Everybody Loves Raymond and King and Queen. I was watching Curb Your Enthusiasm last year, and then like during high school I was watching The Office. So this depends on what mood I'm in, and right now I just feel like watching kid shows. This is a good one to get into. I was gonna take my shoes off, but I never showed you guys my room, right? Never done like a full room tour. So we can do it now. I got my mic. Let's do a room tour. Okay, so right now I'm in front of the TV. It's just a normal TV. That's my mirror today to check my fit. Got the leggings on. Django Unchained. Love this poster. My brother gave it to me because it used to be his. It is one of my favorite Tarantino films of all time and a top 10 film of all time. If you haven't watched it already, go check it out. It is a 10 out of 10. Hat collection plus a beanie. I have more, but these are like the essentials. Got the Jaguar hat when I'm bandwagoning the Jags. Classic Florida Marlins old school logo for the Miami Marlins. I love these hats, by the way. They're all 940 adjustable A-frame hats. They just look cool. Fits your head well. All snapbacks. We got the Orlando Magic hat. And this one is also snapback. I love this because it's the new Orlando Magic logo. I got this a couple months ago. And then we got Bass Pro hat. Not the normal yellow one, but like a black and white version with just the fish on it. Love that hat too. Orlando Magic beanie. This is a little table I made years ago. Just a chest. And basically I use this now to put my clothes in for the morning. Right now it's just a beanie, but I'm going to take that out and I'm going to put like my underwear, socks, and like my clothes for the morning. So like when I get out of the shower, I can just grab it. I have a collection of cologne here. One's missing because one's in my bag from earlier. But these are my favorite colognes. I love this one, Zara. It's an Invictus cologne. I love this one. This is one of the most nonchalant, chill, put something on cologne, Nautica Voyage. It's one of the cheapest on here too. Creed. This one is Date Night cologne. This is a spicy, very winter-like, like winter club cologne, like holiday party cologne. Same with this. These are my two Christmas colognes here, or I would call them fall and winter colognes, both of them. Then we got Hawas. This was from the TikTok shop. Super fruity, tropical, just like a very light but powerful scent. Aqua de Jour. This is a really good summer cologne. Very versatile too. You can wear it anywhere. My Michael Jordan cologne. Almost out. I love this like for the gym, before, after the gym, or like if I'm going hiking or something. I'll put that one on. Got a plant there. Nightstand with LED. I got these two little gray stools on the side of the bed. Here's my bed, by the way. I got Damian Lillard poster above my head. My favorite NBA player of all time. I got a Wolf of Wall Street poster. It's Django's top 10. Wolf of Wall Street is top 3. And Moneyball, top 3 Aaron Sorkin film. One of my favorite writing. And it's one of my favorite sports movies, surprisingly. Got our spray ground bag. Got tons of spray ground bags. This is my closet. I just organized it yesterday. It's really much more cleaner, and I have this system because I don't like folding. I'll just have like long pants here and then shorts over there. So I just like go through the bin. Anyways, I did it by basically jackets and sweaters here. Actually, I don't know why this gray sweater is here. Should be over here. And then this black sweater should be over here. Okay, so we got our black sweater and jackets here. I don't know why this is here at all. I don't even like this hanger. Okay, so yeah, black jackets and hoodies. And we got colorful additional items that I could put on over. And then we got the shirts, long sleeve and short sleeve shirts. We got a long camo, a bunch of black shirts, including some graphic shirts, but mostly blanks. Look at that Goofy movie shirt. Actually, I got like a lot of Goofy movie shirts. I like this one too. I don't know which one I like more. Probably that one because it's Powerline. That's a chair so I could like sit down, like see what I'm gonna see what type of outfit I'm gonna assemble, and then have my face and body rags, underwear, socks, hamper. This is a walking treadmill where I would be doing most of my walking if it's gonna continue to be cold outside. Lamp. And then you probably already seen the bathroom from the last vlog. It's just a normal bathroom. Pretty cool. This is a Disney channel, so I should talk about Disney at least once. Yeah, I don't really have much Disney talk today. I've been kind of doing a Disney World detox. I'm gonna hopefully go this weekend. I mean, that's at least what I'm telling myself. When I get back to Disney, I'm gonna do more resort hopping, but I'm gonna also make sure I spread my parks. I just kind of get annoyed with Magic Kingdom going in because the whole, like, it is such a hassle. Like, I either have to choose a boat or monorail after the parking lot. Sometimes the boat takes too long, sometimes the monorail's too packed. And also I have to worry about getting back. So it's just really tough. And I like EPCOT and Hollywood, but then I have to remember to go to Magic and Animal Kingdom more because there's always something to record there, no matter how bored I get with it or how tired I am with those two parks. Also, I want to do more resort hopping. That hasn't changed. I'm just gonna try to do it more frequently. I just like going to resorts because I could get snacks and I could also check out the environment, and it's really chill. It's not super busy, and also a lot of people are just curious about Disney resorts that haven't gone to Disney World, and all they see on YouTube is just Magic Kingdom and maybe EPCOT. There are so many resorts. There's over, I don't know, there's over 20 of them if we're counting each and every single all-star resort, if we're counting each little section of a resort. Even Port Orleans is like split into two technical resorts. There's a lot of them, and I gotta make sure I hit them all. Is that it? I don't think I'm missing anything. I definitely have to ride Rock and Roller Coaster soon. I haven't rode that in a while before it closes, so that's one important thing. Other than that, that's it. I'm playing fantasy basketball right now, and I'm doing pretty good. Like, I'm slightly ahead this week. By the way, I have a 6-4 record, so not the best record, but I'm probably still gonna make the playoffs. So it's an 8-man league, and I'm like tied with fourth. Wait, I'm tied with 3 actually. I'm not even tied with fourth. So I'm looking okay. I just have to keep winning. But my team is pretty godly because I used a lot of waiver wires and picked up people. My number 1 pick was Anthony Edwards, which I'm happy because he is one of my favorite players. He's also on my wallpaper, like Anthony Edwards. Then I got Big Cat, Sengun. Sengun was the steal. He is one of my top fantasy leaders on the team. And then I got a whole lot of people. Like, I got Anthony Davis, I got Zion, I got John Morant. I got a lot of big names. All 3 of them I named, I didn't get on draft day too. I had to like pick them up or trade for them. So now we're looking good. So hopefully I win that. Yeah, this is the time of night where I really realize that I'm a night owl. And I don't think I'll ever stop being a night owl. There's just something peaceful about the night. No distractions. It's not bright. My eyes are really sensitive. I'm just so amped and wired at night, and I cannot explain it. I'm getting a little tired now, so I might take a nap soon. I'm gonna take a quick shower and then a nap soon. And then I'll continue to vlog. Because I'm not super tired, but I'm a little exhausted. I was just at Hard Rock Resort for New Year's. I didn't gamble today. I almost did, but I didn't feel like it. It was just super packed. I just wanted to be comfortable. So yeah, that's how my New Year's has been. Actually pretty good.